you are. What happened? What did he do to you? How did you escape? You're a bit worse for wear, but you're still alive, and you have the ring piece. Oh, such a relief. I thought you were a goner. That would have made all this for nothing. Capable souls are hard to find, after all. I'd rather not waste my time waiting for another. Yes, that was a compliment. Don't get cocky. No time to feel sorry for yourself. Take a short breather and pull yourself together. The next nightmare awaits and time is running out. What's happening? The eye! What did you do?
Did you miss me, Beers?
You idiot! You let him in! Do you realize what you've done?
Don't be so hard on the poor boy. I marked his mind. Oh, he resisted, but there was nothing he could do to stop it. You always knew this moment would come.
Is that so? I guess I should thank you then. If I finish you off here, getting the rest of the ring pieces will be much easier. Even this fool won't mess that up.
How naive! Even now, you really believe you have a chance.
You think you can claim me, Malak? I'm not as powerless as I was before.
You've always belonged to me, Beers. Nothing will change that. Yes!
How does it feel, demon, to be beaten and at my mercy for a change? You think you're so clever, and yet somehow I always win, beaten by a mere mortal. To think I was silly enough to fear you all this time. The ring's power is even greater than I imagined. What are you laughing about? What trickery is this?
What's the matter, Beers? Don't lose your confidence so quickly.
It doesn't matter how many clones you make. I'll destroy them all. I'm too powerful to stop now, Malak. I've beaten you!
Oh, one more thing, Beers. Do you remember what I said before? I promised I'd be coming, and that I'd be bringing your worst nightmares with me. Well, I always keep my promises. You're not happy to see her.
Aw, does it hurt, Beersy? Should have stayed out of my room. Not sorry at all, are you? Well, that's okay. an apology isn't going to save you. I'm gonna help Daddy tear you apart. Piece by piece. It'll be fun. Oh, goody! That man that took all my friends is here too. Hiya!
It was necessary. I had to do it.
Ah, yes, and it was beautiful work. I enjoyed your little offering. Too bad you refused to know your place.
Can I stab her?
Yes, there'll be plenty of time for that. But first, let's get what we came for.
Aww.
Ah, good. All here. I'll be taking these back now.
You filthy demon. Those are mine. He said you were rapists. If you ever want to see them again, get up right now. Stop him. No! Those are mine! This is not over now. I won't let it end this way.
Gee, are you still whining? Shut up and die already!
You think you've won, Malin? You don't have them all. The one I took from you that day.
What? How did you find that one?
I will always have it. Be gone from this place, demon!
You're only delaying the inevitable, Pierce. The outcome has not changed, and the ring pieces are coming with me. I'll be taking your little puppet as well.
Oh, what's the matter, mortal? Feeling a little under the weather? Fear not, I'm quite sporting. I give all my prey a head start. Better start running.
Is that really the best you can do?
Bullseye! Ooh, so close. Missed again. My aim is rusty. Don't worry. I'll get you next time.
Ah, that's better. She can't interfere here. No more lucky breaks, mortal. Fate has finally caught up with you. Time for you to join your family. Permanently. Look around you. Do you even know where you truly are? You mortals have always believed in the existence of heaven and hell. It's a rather quaint and amusing concept.
However, let me enlighten you. These are the Nightmare Realms. This place and my empire are a part of it. All negative souls are eventually drawn to the Nightmare Realms and wage war to become the ultimate evil, the Demon God. I may not be the Demon God yet, but I am no ordinary demon either.
Over countless millennia, I have grown my army and my power with the rivals that I have vanquished and the mortal souls that I have acquired. You could say business has been booming. Bierce was one of those souls. She never told you her little story, did she? A century ago, Bierce offered her soul to me. She wanted to be a movie star, a trite request, but I agreed nonetheless. I just required a tribute from her first, a small offering. I gave Bierce what she wanted, but when I came to collect, she decided to get cute. She thought she could get out of her contract by using that accursed ring. However, I didn't become an elite evil by letting my guard down. Her little ambush failed. I shattered the ring and took the pieces, but it wasn't enough. One of the pieces formed a bond with Bierce's soul. She used that to seal herself into that annoying little pocket dimension. As if that cage could keep me out forever. In this place, having your power and ring stolen by mortals is not a good look. You both made me appear weak and vulnerable. That's bad for business. Now it's time to pay the price. That's enough chit-chat. She's ready now. Let's get this execution started, shall we?
I'm here. How sweet. You brought a new companion for my babies to play with?
Yes, I have. Do they enjoy playing with mortals?
Oh yes, they'll be very excited. This one looks a bit weak though, not very lively. They usually last longer if they have a little fight left in them.
Lucky and his gang got a little carried away.
Not that it matters, dear Malik. My babies always leave very little behind regardless.
I've told you not to call me that. You know I hate it.
But I like it. This mortal soul will be a bit harder to destroy. His time is not up yet.
I assume you can handle it. Take your time and make an example out of him.
As you command, dear Malik. Gather him up, my babies, and bring him inside. put the mortal in the kitchen for now.
I have an urgent matter to attend to. Are the ring pieces secure here for now?
Of course, dear Malik. They are quite safe here.
Any last words?
No, it's not time yet. I will help you. Escape. There's a ring piece close by. It's here somewhere. Find it.
What now? What happened?
It seems he escaped.
How is that possible?
Without the ring pieces, he won't get far. My babies will find him.
This mortal has an infuriating talent for finding ring pieces. Now that he's loose, he will try to find them again. What are you going to do about it?
The ring pieces are well hidden. He'll never find them.
Tell me, did you put one of the ring pieces in your attic?
Yes, one of them is in the attic. How did you know?
Because he's already there, and he's watching us!
I guess I'll deal with him now then.
Good. See that you do. Do not fail me. I want his soul torn apart and presented to me as a trophy on my desk!
Thank you, dear Malik. Leave everything to me. Babies, go and greet our guest.
Did you forget that now I see what you see? I might be away, but I'm still in your head, mortal. You can't hide from me. He's over here! Oh, what a cute teddy bear. Why not give it a hug? You're a dead man.
Mama Bear is coming to get you.
It's open now. Don't worry. He doesn't know I'm here.
Ooh, in the basement now, are we? Well, don't let me stop you. By all means, keep going. Nothing scary about that hole. Go on, step inside, see where it goes. So many tunnels. Don't get lost.
Stay for dinner.
Stop him! You can't run forever. Don't you dare touch that! You won't have that much longer. There's no way out. You're not unbelievable. That looks pretty deep. Imagine if you fell in. Why not just throw yourself into the pit and get it over with?
Find the other ring pieces.
Watching you die was worth the wait.
Don't let him find the other ring pieces.
Then it's hilarious! What? You've collected half the shards. How are you still alive? Still get a trophy for participating. What? You've collected half the shards. How are you still alive? Bear hugs. What? You've collected half the shards. How are you still alive? Got all the shards, eh? Don't get cocky. There's still no way out for you.
Mama's
So
coming!
unbearable. So unbearable.
My babies are in. I just want to share
Blow
my
him
love
to
with
pieces.
Don't worry. You'll still get a trophy for participating.
Now I've got you. Mama's coming! Now I've got you. Being a single mom is hard. Now I've got you. Kill him. Kill him.
So unbearable.
Being a single mom is hard. Blow him to pieces. I want to share my love with you. Blow him to pieces. Being a single mom is hard.
Simply refuse to die. It's extremely irritating. But I always hedge my bets, so I'm going to make you an offer. If somehow, despite my best efforts to kill you, you still manage to survive and complete the ring, it would be in your best interest to just hand it over to me anyway. Why? Because I'll match and exceed Bierce's offer. I'll let you go, and I'll give you that new life you want so badly. I'll even make you young and rich, with your wife and daughter exactly as you wish they could be. Everything you ever wanted for as long as you live. After that, your soul is mine. A small price to pay, given your circumstances. It's a better deal than you'll get from her. I promise you that. Think about it. If you survive. Go ahead, start running. Let's see if that extraordinary luck of yours will last a little bit longer. The faster you get through this, the more of you will be left when we're done.
Shredded by a teddy bear. That's so pathetic.
Start. Let's see if that extraordinary luck of yours will last a little bit longer. The faster. Don't worry, you'll still get a trophy for participating. Go ahead, start running. Let's see if that extraordinary luck of yours will last a little bit longer. The faster, the more of you will be left when we're done. Don't worry, you'll still get a trophy for participating. Start running. Let's see if that extraordinary luck of yours will last a little bit longer. The faster, the more of you will be left when we're done.
Is that really the best you can do?
Go ahead, start running. Let's see if that extraordinary
There
luck
you
of
are.
yours will last a little bit longer. The faster it gets, the more... Shredded by a teddy bear. That's so... pathetic. Go ahead, start running. Let's see if that extraordinary luck of yours will last a little bit longer. The faster you get through this, the more of you will be left when we're done. All the shards. Again. Imagine that. Well, don't worry. I won't this time. Chasing you around is mentally exhausting. Don't let that buoy your confidence, though. You're still going to die here. Are you sure you want to go that way? Bad choice, mortal.
There's a ring piece close by. Before I go, with these ring pieces, I can break his hold on you.
The corruption mark. It's gone. Oh, is this her doing? Your soul is more resilient than I expected. So be it. It was amusing, but I guess our time together is up. It won't make any difference for you. Mama Bear's realm is special. It is beyond Pierce's reach. You'll never escape this place.
Looking for this? You've caused enough trouble. I can't let you go any further. You wrecked my happy home and destroyed many of my precious babies. You will undo everything. Like Bierce, you are an abomination. I can never let you return to her. This place will be your grave.
me.
Why are you here?
Daddy.
You're alive! Wait, how are you alive? I thought Malak had taken you for good. And the ring pieces. You got them back. Oh, I could kiss you. Not that I'm going to. Don't get your hopes up. Also, don't worry about me. I'm fine. I'm not flesh and blood, remember? No matter what torment Malak inflicts on me, I will heal. He cannot destroy me. He can only enslave me for all eternity. I can see in your eyes that he told you something. Was it about me? Malak told you what I did, didn't he? That I'm trapped here. That I cheated him. Well, so what? He's a demon! I'm not proud of what I did. I lived in an era that was full of cruelty. And I was consumed with my desire for stardom in order to escape it. That desire led me down a dark path. Surely you can understand that, right? Malak wants our souls. I just want to get out of here. And I meant what I said when I told you I'd give you a new life. I will have that power. You've seen what I can do with just a few of the ring pieces. There are still 2 ring pieces left to recover. That grotesque bear's home was a dead end. She never had a ring piece. Well, there's no time to waste crying over spilt milk. Time to dust ourselves off and get back to it.